Sumusuporta ang Schools Division Superintendent ng Tacloban City na si Dr. Mariza S. Magan sa proyektong ito. Pahayag niya na malaki raw ang impact nitong proyekto pagdating sa performance ng mga guro at pakikitungo nila sa kanilang mag-aaral.
Mayroong itong impact in terms sa performances ng ating mga guro. And of course, yung behavior nila in terms of dealing our clients, especially our learners. And of course, sa integrity ng bawat isa. And for the learners, kasi napaka-importante ng values, no? So Department of Education is not only molding the minds, but at the same time, molding the values of our learners. And hopefully, once again, makita natin kung anong parang nag-deteriorate na. Importante pa rin sa atin the way we deal with yung learners natin towards their teachers, towards the elders. So mayroon din akong parang gusto ko rin i-inject na sana magawa ng buong paaralan natin as regards to yung mga dating mga kaugalian ng ating mga learners na pwede natin ipasok sa program na ito. So I am in full support of VRP and I'm so happy with this kind of program in Tacloban City.
Sumang-ayon naman ang Assistant Schools Division Superintendent na si Dr. Roberto Mangaliman. Pahayag niya na mahalaga ito upang mabigyan diin ang character building at values formation sa mga eskwelahan.
So, the effect, of course, if our public servants will have that kind of values, focused every week, focus on those virtues that would, this will improve, of course, the work ethics of the teachers. And in like manner, the effect would be great because this will radiate down to the classroom level, especially our school children.